Yes, student, we continue with the help of the other diagram. Uh, when the metals and non-metals combine together to form a compound, at that time the bond is formed. This bond is called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Clear? Here this is in your book. Okay, clear? So the transferring of atoms. In this process, the transferring of atoms, transferring of electrons, so donating of electron or gaining of electron, donating of electron and gaining of electrons. By this process, the electrovalent bond or ionic bond is formed when the transfers of ion from one atom to the another atom and get positive or negative charge, and the bond formed between the this process is called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Okay, here we discuss about the second example of the formation of covalent bond or ionic bond. Clear? Is it clear? So Mg, this is metal, atomic number is 12. Mg, this is metal, atomic number is 12. And chlorine, the atomic number is 17. Okay, this is metal and this is non-metal. So the electronic configuration of Mg is 2, 8, 2. Okay, and the electronic configuration of Cl is 2, 8, 7. Okay, this is normal condition. Here is no ions is formed, no donating of electrons, or there is no process in gaining of electrons. Clear? So the structure of the magnesium and chlorine is here we are discussing, and I am drawing here the first this, second this, third this, and third cell. There are 3 cells in magnesium. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2. 2, 8, 2. Okay, this is in normal conditions before gaining of electrons or donating of electrons. Here is the structure of chlorine is 2, okay, this is the structure of chlorine 287. The outermost orbital contains 7 electrons and the outermost orbit contains 2 electrons in magnesium and 7 electrons. So it donates 2 electrons to chlorine, and chlorine, 2 atoms of chlorine here, 2 atoms of chlorine in this process. Okay, 2 atoms of chlorine. Okay, so this is other atom of chlorine. So here is there are 2 atoms of chlorine is here. So the configuration of the second chlorine atom is as same as first, 287. Okay, so one magnesium atom combined together to one magnesium atom donate electrons to 2 chlorine atoms here. This is before previous condition when normal it is in normal. Then after it donates 2 electrons, each 1 electrons. Okay, each 1 electrons, it donates 2 electron to each 1 electrons to each chlorine atoms. Okay, so this chlorine atom get 1 electrons and this chlorine atom get 1 electron. Okay, and magnesium atom donate 2 electrons. Okay, this is the structure before there is no gain or loss of electrons here. Then after the structure is to donate 2 electrons, it donates 2 electrons to get 2 positive charge. Okay, and then after donating of 2 electrons, then it get 2 positive charge, and then that time the electronic configuration is 2 8. Okay, 2 8. Is it clear? 2 8. Is it clear or not? Clear? Here it gets 1 electrons more, it gets 1 electron. Okay, so the electronic configuration is 2 8 8. The electronic configuration is 2 8 8. The electronic configuration is 2 8 8. Okay, then it donates 2 electrons to each chlorine atom, get 1 negative charge. Each chlorine atom get 1 negative charge. Okay, clear? Each chlorine atom to get, so the configuration is 2 8 8. Okay, stable configuration. So the structure, the compound is formed MgCl2. Okay, because 2 atoms, 1 atom of magnesium and 2 atoms of chlorine combined together to form a magnesium chloride by the help of covalent bond, by the help of electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Ionic or electrovalent bond found between metals and non-metals. Okay, clear? Thank you, student.